guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how to depot your lipsticks, how to make your own custom made lip palette. This just helps with decluttering and better organizing your lipsticks if you have a ton of lipsticks. You're going to need a couple of things: a candle or some form of heat source, an empty palette. I just chose this one because I'm a makeup artist, it makes things easier, a spoon, a metal spoon, some tissue or serviettes, and your lipsticks that you want to depot. Also some kind of spatula to scoop out the lipstick. Cut the lipstick and put it on the spoon, then place it above the heat source up until it melts, and when it does melt, just pour it into your palette. Clean off the spoon and your workstation. I recommend putting like a sheet of paper where you'll be doing this because it does get really messy. Another thing you can do, if you have a spatula or a sharp object, you can just pierce the lipstick and then just pull it out. This way you get all the product onto the spoon, and then go back ahead and melt it. Stir the lipstick to make sure there are no clumps, and then pour it into the palette. Lastly, just so you can know which lipsticks you have, don't forget to take the stickers at the bottom of the lipstick and place them at the back of the palette, and this is what your palette should look like in the end. That's it. Thanks for watching, and see you all in my next one.